This was the calm before the storm inside the Bloomsburg Public Works Department on Friday. The town's fleet of snowplows and other equipment laying in wait for the accumulation that the area would receive on Sunday. The storm rolled through Bloomsburg, leaving behind a foot of snow. Brady Brink, director of Public Works, has been busy making sure the town's snow removal stays on track. He says everything went to plan as best as they hoped.
We did get a lot more than I was anticipating. We were out for 15 hours the first night, trying to just keep roadways open, and then we've been just trying to push everything back, since then.
Brink says the cold weather isn't impacting snow removal around town. He says the big issue is where they are going to put all of this snow. Brink says they have already started to utilize a parking lot behind the Little League field at the town park.
So we've been trying to push all the roads back. We're trying to get them to the curbs without burying people's sidewalks, driveways. It's probably getting to a point to where we're going to have to start hauling a lot of this out of here, especially in the smaller alleyways and the corners.
On Tuesday morning, the Department of Public Works cleared out the parking stalls in town. Brink says this is in preparation for Wednesday when they clear out the public parking areas.
We're doing parking lots in the morning. We'll start at 4 a.m., get the parking lots cleared out. Then we can allow people to park there.
Brink says he is asking business owners downtown to move any snow in front of their stores to the Main Street parking stalls before 3 a.m. Friday morning so crews can remove the rest of it. He says the goal is to hopefully get plenty of parking open in time for the weekend. Brink says people have been doing the best they can to keep their cars off the road so the streets can be plowed.
With the on-street parking, it's hard. We still have a lot of cars that are buried. When they do dig the cars out, they're putting it in the street sometimes, so that kind of is a challenge, because when we have to go back and clear up, we're pushing it back to where it was to begin with.
Brink says crews have been working for 40 hours so far to clear up the remaining snow. Bloomsburg's Department of Public Works has gone through about 60 tons of salt in the process. Justin Gick, Newswatch 16, Columbia County.